Today I will share with you this Canva double exposure effect using this silhouette portrait, using this modern city portrait and this person working portrait. So let's start with it. So first I will go to uploads and I have already uploaded this silhouette image and I will just make it bigger. Okay, let's keep it like this, and after that I will just use this city portrait, and after that I will make it bigger. Okay, and I will just decrease the transparency. Okay, so the effect is looking good. Okay, now I will just press Ctrl plus X to cut the image and click on add page and just add it here, and after that increase the transparency, and after that here in this click on BG remover to remove the background. Okay, so the background is removed. Now download both the pages, and for downloading I will click on share, click on download, make sure the file type is in PNG, and I will download the pages individually. Okay, so click on page 1, download, and for page 2 I will follow the same technique. Now I will click on add page and just re-upload both the images. Okay, scroll down, click on apps, just search here, click on blend, and here click on blend image, but make sure the blend mode is in screen. So as you can see, the blend mode is in screen by default because I have already used it. So I will choose this as the bottom layer, the silhouette image, click on use selected image, and for the top layer I will select this one, the city portrait, and it will look like this. But you have to keep it in mind, the face is still not visible, so we have more work to do here. So click on add page, click on add to design. Okay, and add it here and make it to the same size as the canvas. Make sure that you are maintaining the same size because the effect remains on this part, that you are maintaining the same size. Okay, now I will select this image again, and so for this I will go to the second part. Here click on Ctrl plus C to copy it and Ctrl plus V to paste it here, and just decrease the transparency and check if the setting is perfect or not. Now I will just scroll all the way up to apps here, and this time I will select image blender. Okay, so select the image and click on fade, click on linear. Okay, and I will just move it above and move it here and just move it like this. So I will want to keep it like this, the face part, and I will click on save. Okay, I will click on fade again, click on linear, and this time I will remove the lower part shape from here, and I will just keep it like this and move it like this. Okay, and click on save. Okay, and click on decrease the transparency like 90 here, so that it becomes proper. And after that you can just crop it like this, increase the transparency and check if it is working fine or not. So it is working fine now. And for the next part I will scroll up to elements, and I will use this image which says businessman or finance man crossing a zebra crossing. Okay, so I will use this image and click on BG remover. Okay, so the background is removed as you can see, but the image is very much bright here. So I will just go to edit here, go to adjust, decrease the brightness. Okay, scroll down, decrease the saturation also. Okay, and decrease the shadows. And after that, make it smaller and bring it right here. And your image is ready. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you have learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.